Hello guys, my name is PJ, helping you increase your knowledge in online media. You want to start a YouTube channel, you want to start a reaction channel, you want to start a gaming channel, but people let you download OBS and it's very confusing how to lay everything out. Or if you're just doing reactions and gaming and then you just want a perfect layout. Great for editing and great for other stuff. But yeah, if you've seen people like PewDiePie or Markiplier, they have a camera and then they have your gaming, so that when they need to switch over to the camera, it's still good quality, while they can also edit that as their webcam. Sometimes they have to record their cameras separately and then they record their gameplay separately, which leads them to relying on their editor to sync on everything, which you as a beginner YouTuber doesn't want to do. So what's the solution for this? Okay, I figured it out. I saw Markiplier's OBS layout, and this is what he did. So I'm just gonna show you. So this is what he did. You can see me, right? I'm the webcam, and then on your right, you can see my screen, my gameplay. How did that happen? So it's very easy. We just go to settings. So when you go to settings, there's gonna be video. And you can see these options. Of course, I'm recording, so you can't see. We can't change this right now. So if it depends on usual, like if you're on 720p, it's an 80, 4K and stuff. I use 1080. So what you do is on your width, which is supposed to be 1920 by 1080, just double it by, just double it. So it's 3840. And after that, you're just basically gonna drag the display capture on your right and then put your video capture or your camera on your left, and that's basically done. So why did I do this? It's very simple, because in the editing side, which I'm gonna show you later, it's gonna work out perfectly. Okay, so I'm here on CapCut and then I have the file right here. Now if I immediately drag this, what's gonna happen is it's gonna put on this wide screen, so we're not gonna do that. First thing we need to do is just add a generated library, then just add a black one or a white one. Anything that is 16 by 9 if you really want to. Okay, so after you add the black thing, you just add your video right there. And then just right click it, extract audio. Now you have a separate audio. And now what you're gonna do is just copy the video, then paste it above this one. And then what you're gonna do is right click on the bottom or click on the bottom and then just put crop ratio. Okay, and then just set that to 16 by 9 and just drag it over here. So now you can do that. Same thing for the other one. Crop it 16 by 9, drag it to the other one, confirm. And now you can just play around like this. See, look, nice, easy to add a webcam. So when you play this back, hello guys, my name is PJ, helping you increase your knowledge in online media. But that's basically it. So now you can have this one, and what's even better is if we do the KSI style of reactions like Mo does. This is what Mo does. He places your KSI here and then just duplicates it again and then sets it up to full screen like that. Okay, how do I full screen this? Whenever I start, I could just do this. Okay, hello guys, my name is PJ, helping you increase your knowledge in online media. So when I said like so, I could just start cutting here. So blade there, let's just do an example over here, and then just press V on CapCut to disable it. So when you do that, it's gonna be like this. So you want to start a YouTube channel, you want to start a reaction channel, you want to start a gaming channel, but people let you download OBS. See, look. That's amazing. And if you want to remove the webcam as well, then you can just do the same thing. So you just do that and then press V, then there it is. So you want to start a YouTube channel. Okay, it's lagging. So you want to start a YouTube channel, you want to start a reaction channel, you want to start a gaming channel, but people let you download OBS and it's very confusing. So that's basically it, guys. That's basically it. So hopefully you've enjoyed this short tutorial Please leave a like and subscribe. I'm almost at 500 subs. Once I reach 1k subs, it's gonna be amazing for me. And please, I really do need the support, guys. Most of you guys are not subscribed, so yeah, please subscribe. And comment down below if you want some more tutorials from me. If this format is good for you, where I teach tutorials on YouTube and stuff, then I can transition to YouTube tips and stuff. So